no ruling then is alive to be delivered by you. Because the orders have strangled the ruling. The ruling has abated. Any other application filed is dead on arrival. Because the orders are dying in a few hours. On part of the applicant, we withdraw all the applications.
Council, not so fast.
We did not extract the orders. The person who extracted the orders extracted his own orders of 30 days. The court was specific the number of days. That person misled the court. The court has confirmed the number of days granted. Your Honor, the only thing remaining is to vacate those illegal days that were not granted by a court of law. The signature might be of a judicial officer. At one time, Your Honor, when I was in government, files to sign could come 1,000 and you only sign. So, that is the scenario we are dealing with. The proceedings of the court were very clear. The number of days will not change. Our client has been prejudiced heavily